Hello everyone, I am VASANTHAKUMAR. I am from BANNARI AMMAN Institute of Technology. I have created a circuit called fire alarm system by interfacing Arduino with temperature and gas sensor. In this circuit, I have used an Arduino, a breadboard and gas sensor and a temperature sensor and a circuit. So Arduino is a microcontroller process. It has 14 digital input and output pins. 6 can be used as PWM output and 6 analog inputs, and it contains a 16 MHz quartz crystal, a USB connection, a power jack, an ICSP header and a reset button. So gas sensor is a device which detects the presence or concentration of gases in the atmosphere, which can be measured as output voltage. And the resistor is used to limit the amount of current in part of a circuit. And a breadboard is used for the connecting wires to the component. And temperature sensor is used for detecting the temperature. So these all are the components that we used in the circuit. So now we see how it's work. So these all are the codes for the circuit. Now we can start the simulation. So now you can see when the gas sensor is surrounded by the smoke, there will be a sound in the piezo. When we remove the smoke from the gas sensor, there is no more sound from the piezo. So now we can slightly increase the amount of temperature. We can see the glow in the LED. Now we can slightly remove also. So these are the output we can see. So thank you for watching.